Ulitin? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this interview to ABS-CBN. This is Angel Octin, ABS-CBN, Aba-Aba. Okay, Angel Octin. Etong yung aming...
Makakasawa naman dalhin yan, ha?
Yung ABS-CBN nga. Okay. This is your question. What's the essence of being gay in society and why?
What is society?
Being a gay.
What's the essence of being a gay in society?
Naman siya gay.
Third sex.
Yes.
Acceptable naman sa lipunan ng third sex.
Don't speak Tagalog. Okay.
Acceptable ang third sex sa society.
And why?
Can applicable, pwede rin pakasal ang same sex. Lesbian or accepted in society.
Okay. I told my direct
You can
your voice
change
is
your
loud.
organ.
Okay.
You can change your organ.
No, I don't like change my organ.
Oh, Michael Jackson changed
Because
his organ.
no, Michael Jackson changed organ, but how many months, how many years? The true organs of Michael Jackson is back. Yes, because he is not happy for that.
Don't like his penis changed to vagina.
Yes, and back again. And then out of China and back that thing. Because I like Boris. I like
Sabi mo na kasi yung direction.
yes.
Gusto mo mag-Diyos.
Pwede daw bang mag-Taglish direct? Okay, pwede daw Taglish.
Gulat na po.
Okay, Angel Octin, this is your another
Gulat ako nung
question.
mga kanina.
Okay, Sharon Cuneta naman daw po siya ngayon.
Sharon Cubeta.
Okay. Okay, Sharon Cuneta. Kamusta na si Casey Concepcion?
She's in America. She speak with the president of the Washington.
Wow. Who is the president of USA?
Before is Bill Clinton, but right now, who's the president?
Huli ka na sa
You told me your daughter talked.
George Bush.
No.
And
Yes,
then, there's a new one now.
Obama.
Yes, Obama.
Oh, yeah.
Why? Why yuck?
Siya kayong
You
yak.
don't like Obama?
Obama is black.
No, like you.
No, I'm green.
Green.
Wow.
Yes. Yes.
I'm green.
You from Nescafe?
Oh, yeah. There is a coffee.
Yes.
I'm creamy.
Oh,
wow.
Nice. Juicy ka, friend.
Yeah. I like black. Black's beauty, but I'm creamy.
But to black is dirty.
But Obama.
White is dirty.
Okay, listen to me, darling.
Ay!
President
You're
Obama
a
is black, but President Obama is brainy and more knowledge for president for president for USA.
And he's the only, di ba first ano siya no?
That Obama is
American.
Yes, serve of USA. Yes. What is your side comment for President Obama?
I
Natapat
saw
mo
him
yun.
ride in a helicopter.
Oh.
Ay,
Oh.
oh my God.
Yeah.
About
natuluyan, friend.
Gabi Concepcion.
Oh, Gabi Concepcion is US citizen.
Pero balita ko nagtuloy sa Pilipinas, magawa siya ng pelikula.
Right now.
Yes. Yes, Gabi Concepcion. Yes.
But Kiko Pangilinan is right now a lawyer.
No.
He's there.
Yes. Already
He's a
there.
lawyer and a senator.
Before, but now is Kiko Francis Magalona is dead. It's already
Oh,
dead.
Francis Magalona died, passed away.
Francis,
Yeah. Francis died. You
Okay.
don't know?
Yes, I don't know.
Ah.
But Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, what is your side comment for being president in the Philippines?
She deserves to become president.
No. No.
All the Philippines war.
Yes. But the Philippine, all Filipino, this in this Philippines, is rich. Gloria Macapagal Arroyo is, ano tagto mo?
Makapakat Arroyo.
Yes, not corruption. All Filipino is rich in this Philippines. Macapagal Arroyo is preserve, ano yung...
Are you Bisaya, Ilocano?
No, I'm pure Tagalog. But I told you my English is wrong grammar and English is baraong.
I like you the way you
Speak?
speak. The way you speak, the way you talk,
The way.
I like you the way you speak, the way you talk.
Because,
The way
My English is barong and my English is wrong grammar, but you understand.
I enjoy it.
Why?
Again.
But your name is
Let's
Swani.
call this one.
Okay, I give answer for you.
one.
Yes.
What color?
Black and white. Swing tone. My cell phone is swinging.
Dial tone.
Yeah, not dial tone. It's ringing. Okay.
Just say excuse.
No.
Sorry.
No, because the cell phone is ringing. Wala tayo magagawa. Kasi it's ringing. I have a call. I
Said,
received
I'll be happy tonight.
Why? I know naman. I happy.
Pangalan nun
Because I miss you.
Katrina Eligili.
No, see. Pantalan bago.
Oo, palihan.
Pantalan bago.
That's Palian.
Share, palihan.
Sarong Kubeta.
There.
Over girl.
Pantalambago, near Pantalambago, Balingan.
Ano,
Yes.
palihan.
Si Lahis din eh.
No,
Pantalambago
there.
si Lahis.
Their way. And this way, palihan, going to Pantalan Bago.
Yes.
I have a classmate in Pantalan Luma.
In Iguana or Tenement or...
Coming Pani.
Oh, it's
Ano?
Yeah, it's a bus.
Doming Pani. Her
Sarong
daughter is
Kubeta.
my classmate.
Katrina.
Iwan po to.
I've been there when
Iwan po
I
to.
attend.
I told my direct, your face is...
Kala ko
focus in their camera.
Hey, I have a picture with Ricardo Zubeda.
Where? I see it.
My album.
Where is your
Ricardo
album?
Zubeda. Ronnie Ricketts.
What is your talent?
Before, they encouraged me to become an artist, but not interested.
What kind of art? Painting, drama, gymnastics,
No.
athletics. What?
Artist!
What
Painters
Artist
na,
in the
painter.
movie.
Ah! Drama. Example. Give me.
Don't be shy.
Don't be shy in their camera. Okay. Example. Your mother is have a sick and you go to the
I cry, gano'n.
the hospital for buying the medicine and then go back the house and then your mother is dead and then you cry and shout and you told God.
Si Charles Cubeta yun.
Change the topic.
Dalawa siya.
What kind of topic?
Can.
Yes, sabi ni Direk
Amoy pansi oh.
because the pillow of camera is done.
Hello.
Kaway ka na. Yes.
Hi.
Okay, introduce yourself to
What are you,
camera.
biker?
I'm Swanee.
Yeah. Let's rock.
Swanee sa Palok, Manila.
And then,
Palok. Asim.
Swanee, Quezon City.
then go ahead.
Masim pa yung mic
your age,